Hello, lovers of good things. Today we are making quick dinner for the family, guys. So, guys, let's go ahead and cook this soup. Here is the egusi I want to make use of. So, I want to wash it before using it, guys. As you can see, that is the fish that I want to make use of. So, I want to cut it. So, guys, as you can see, we are cutting the fish, guys. So that egusi you see me soak inside the water, I soak it because the egusi is not just good at all. So I ordered it from one of our sister. So the egusi she sent for me, I did not like it. I ordered for hand bread egusi. He bring there another thing for me. Guys, we are done cutting the fish, guys. So let's put the fish inside the pot. So here is the pot we want to make use of, guys. So we are adding the fish. So we are done adding the fish, guys. We slice in onions. Okay, guys, we don't slice the onions. We add one more maggi inside, as you can see me doing on this video, guys. After then, we add salt. So I also add ginger to boil the fish. I add water. I add so many water, guys. Cover it to cook, guys. So here is the egusi. Let's wash it, guys. So we are washing the egusi. You can see the way I wash this egusi. I wash it very, very well because the egusi is not just good at all. I ordered this egusi from this woman. I told her to give me handbrake egusi, and he collected money for handbrake egusi, and he went to go and bring rubbish for me. This egusi don't already take for us. He don't get home. All those tenetene don't they come out for inside, guys. So I have to take it and I order rubber paint of it. And we still have the egusi at all. We are using it small. So guys, I put everything inside the blender, add onions and pepper, pour water inside, cover it and blend it. As you can see, I'm done blending it. I pour it inside the plates. So I use water to blend it. So I add the second one. I will go and blend it again. I will also add pepper and onions, blend everything together. Okay guys, let's check the fish on fire. As you can see, it's boiling. So it's time for me to fry the egusi. Let's check if the egusi will fry. So here is the pot I want to make use of. I add groundnut oil. I use groundnut oil and red oil, guys. I add red oil to it. Add it. As you can see on this video, this soup is so yummy, just that it did not coil. So here is the onions I want to make use of. I add the onions inside. After adding the onions, I add tomatoes inside. I like putting small tomatoes on my egusi. So I add small tomatoes. And I mix it very well. I turn it so that everything will mix, so that it will fry very well. So guys, watch this video to the end. Like and share this video. Comment if you want to learn how to cook. Come to my channel, guys. Watch the video, you will enjoy them. So here is the egusi. I pour it inside. I start turning it. So I just want to check if this egusi will cool, because the rest egusi I cook, they are cool, but this particular egusi is not cool at all. I don't try it 2 times now. It did not cool because the egusi is not good. It's not good. So look at it. We are still turning it. So I fried this egusi saute the under the pot one bone finish. Now see be now, so it still be. Okay guys, we are seeing on the egusi. As you can see, take a look at the egusi. The egusi don't want to cool. So all I need to do now is to add the fish stock inside. So that is the water I used to boil the fish. I turn it inside. So this soup we are just using only fish. I add water to it, guys. So I'll add one more maggi inside, as you can see on this video. After adding one more maggi, I added salt inside. Everything is yummy. This soup is so delicious. Just that the egusi did not cool. You can see egusi now is boiling. The egusi is boiling, guys. So all I need to do now, we add the fish inside, as you can see. After adding the fish, I turn it. After turning it, guys, I will also cover it to cook. You can see that I taste it, so everything is okay. So here is the spinach I want to make use of, guys. I'm cutting it. I want to slice it so that you can make use of it. So we are cutting it here. So this is quick food, so yummy and delicious. Quick food make in the evening. In the evening with just only fish, guys. If you taste this soup, guys. So we are done washing the spinach. We have to add it inside now. Before adding it, I turn the soup round, as you can see me doing. So after turning it, I also test it to check it. So I add the spinach inside. I add it inside. Seafood na seafood. So after adding it, I cover it to cook. So here is the soup. We are here to check it. So we turn it. So the egusi, I did not like it thick. So I leave it, let it light. So we are turning the soup, guys. The soup is supuri. The soup in supuri, guys. It be like soya beans soup. You know what it's called, soya beans? That is what it look like. But the soup is sweet. It's sweet. It's sweet die. It's sweet die, guys. Check it out now. You can see it everywhere is full of soup. So the soup is ready, as you can see it, guys. Can you see the video? Can you view? I bet zoom it. Zoom it for me. Zoom it. Can you feel it? So it's time to turn the semo. That is the pounded yam we want to make use of. So we are adding it inside the water, guys. So we are turning it. Oh, seafood is yummy. It's delicious. Yummy food. Guys, share this video and write what you think about this soup on the comment section, guys. Please, guys, share, comment, and subscribe to my channel, guys. Don't forget to share or drop your comment. See your sister. Now see the way he's turning this starch. No starch. Super the jam is ready. Guys, love you all. Ciao, ciao.